all, Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. Welcome back to our extended funnel challenge. In the last video, I showed you how to customize and design the upsell page of our funnel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design the downsell page to hopefully capture an additional sale before delivering their front-end offer. So we're going to be designing this page here, which is the group coaching session. So let's get started by entering our Builderall back office. Since we built our sales funnel in the Cheetah Builder, let's go ahead and enter that. And the sales funnel we're working on is the upsell funnel here. So we'll edit site and we want to go to the downsell page. But before we do that, we want to basically make the downsell page a similar replica of the upsell page. So I want to show you a really simple tip to help us do that. So before we enter the downsell page, let's go ahead and enter the upsell page. And what we want to do is save this panel so that we can use it on the downsell page. So to do that, we just want to left click in the panel here. And you'll see you have this little save element option here. So let's click save element and we're going to call this upsell panel. And let's save as a personal element. Now from here, we can also enter the downsell page. So let's just go ahead and do that here. We'll save and exit. And you see, we already have from the previous trainings the elements that we need on the downsell page. So we need to have our buy now button and we need to have the no thank you button, because if they don't choose to purchase the downsell item, they will go to the thank you page that has the front end offer, which is the course that we sold them for them to get to this point. Okay, so let's go to retrieve that panel from the upsell page in the personal section, and we'll select panels and we'll click panels here. And you see now we have the upsell panel. So let's just go ahead and click the plus sign here to add it to our page. So now instead of having to replicate all of this information, we can simply just use the previous panel. So let's go ahead and pull the elements from this panel to our panel that we're working on. So to do that, we can drag. But if you see, if it doesn't automatically go above the panel, you want to definitely change the sort order. So we can do that by clicking in the edit element, and we can go down to advanced, and then we can just move this to the top. So I just click it a few times, and now you see it's on top of that panel. So we can just move this here just to get it off of this panel here. We'll do the same thing here. So we'll click in that and then edit the element. Let's go ahead and move it to the top. And we'll just move that here. Now we can go ahead and delete this panel and have a clean working space. So on this downsell page, we don't necessarily need to have a application process, okay? Because this is going to be the group coaching session. So let's just go ahead and delete this form. And for this one, we're just going to have a button. So we're going to have a buy now button, and we're going to have a no thank you button. And the no thank you button is going to go to our course. And we actually have this down here. So let's go ahead. It's already a button. Let's go ahead and make sure that it goes to the thank you page. So let's set the action, and we want it to go to the thank you member access page. So we'll click select. And then now we can delete this button because we already have our no thank you. Just delete. And we want our buy now button to go to the downsell sales page in our super checkout. So let's go ahead and we want to select that here. So we want them to be able to purchase the downsell product by clicking on that button there. So we'll click select. So let's go ahead and save since we've made some changes already. And that's fine. Now the next thing we want to do is we don't want to have this image here because creating a customized business blueprint is something that we're only offering for our private coaching session. But let's go ahead and change the image to another image to entice them about the group coaching session, okay? Just to give them a little sneak peek of what it might look like. So we'll just edit that element here. We'll go to general settings, and I've already created an image that we can use. So I'm just going to select that here. And now we just have a picture of a computer with a Zoom meeting, okay? Same thing here, we can just add all of the benefits of the group coaching sessions, And, that's basically what we want to do. We want to sell them on that. We can say limited time offer. And we can add some more text here. So we'll just go pull out this panel here. We'll go to add elements. Let's go ahead and add a H4 title. And let's just give them some information about the group coaching session. So we'll left click in the box. And we'll left click to exit that. Let's just go ahead and arrange this a little bit to make it even. We'll just stretch out this box to expand it. There we go. So we can change this here to, we'll just say register for our next class. Let's just go ahead and make this 2 lines. Let's drag this down a little bit. We can keep this timer here because we definitely want to encourage them to act now so that they can get this special offer, because if they choose to not purchase this, we're going to basically say, this is $29 a session, but if they act now, they could get it for $10. So we definitely want to give them a one-time offer for the group coaching session inside our funnel. So let's go ahead and we'll just add some more text here. So we've got elements, add text, we'll add a H2 title. And let's go ahead and just type in to give our special offer. We'll say only $29, and then let's go ahead and add some more text to give them the special offer. This is a little bit larger than I anticipated. Let's just change this to an H4. Okay, and then let's go ahead and just make this on a different line. We'll just shrink this down just a little bit. And then let's go ahead and just change the color of this. We'll just make it stand out more. Maybe we want to change it to red. And we could actually add an animation to this, and we'll just make it flash. So we'll just set the time, and we'll make it flash here, and we'll just make it infinite. So it'll just keep flashing. Okay, so we definitely want to play around with this. We want to make our offer stand out a little bit more, but you get the point here, okay? So here's our buy now button. We would want to change this and make it, a branded color. We can move this up just a little bit. So now we have our downsell page that simple, okay? It's all set up. Now when they decide to not purchase the upsell item, they're going to come to the downsell page. So we're giving them one more opportunity. Okay, so our upsell item is going to be more expensive. If they decide no to that, then they can go to the downsell item, which will be a little bit cheaper. Okay, and if they decide to not purchase this, they go to the thank you page to access their course, but we're also going to be promoting again our other offers. So we're going to have the course, and then we'll also include the upsell item and the downsell item on that thank you page, okay? And we'll also add our lead magnet to that thank you page. So on the thank you page, it will have all of the products that we are offering. Let's go ahead and check the mobile view and just make sure that it all looks good. So it looks pretty good. Let's just move this button down just a little bit because we want to make this below the price. So we'll just keep clicking in the box and moving it down until it's where we like it. Let's go ahead and we'll make this button just a little bit smaller. So let's click to edit the element, and let's go to advanced, and then we will adjust the lateral spacing here to make our button just a little bit smaller. Let's add a little bit of space at the bottom here. And it looks good. So let's go ahead and we will save. And let's go ahead and look at the live view of our downsell page. And on this video, of course, you want to have you as the coach presenting yourself and talking more about what they can expect in the group coaching sessions, okay? And you also want to tell them how to access their course. So you are presenting this page and everything that you're offering in this video. Okay, that's really important because it's also part of positioning yourself as the authority. By the time they work their way through this whole funnel, they should feel like they know you and are comfortable with you. It's part of building that know, like, and trust factor. So now that we've designed our downsell page, in the next video, we're going to design the next page in our funnel, which would be the thank you page. So until then, go build it with Builderall.